Hi, in this video, we'll talk about what is square function in Tableau. So first, let's create one calculation field. I'll type square number, accept the square number as a title, and here I'll type this square, and after that click on this function. So as the name suggests of this particular function, which is square, so it is actually takes the input as a number and it will return the square of that particular number that we have given inside this function as an input. So let's suppose if we take input as a 12, I click on apply and OK. And after that, I'll take this square function field that we have just created and drop it onto the text, and then click on this drop down, go to aggregation field and select average. You can see here it is showing the value 144, which is the square of 12. So if we go to our function again, and here if I change the value as a 10, and if I click on apply, so now we can see it is showing the 100 as a value, which is basically the square of 10. And if you want to change the number, something like if you want to do the triple digit number instead of two digit number, so here I use 144. If I click on this apply, so now we can see here it is showing the 20,736, which is the square of 144. So this is basically help us to find the square of any number, any integer number, and it will return the output as an integer. So this is how we can use the square function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.